Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to of my canal. So today I want to come and show you guys a 1 month protective hairstyle of my daughter that I did, and using my rose water and onions juice. So I made rose water and onions juice, and I have been using that on her hair for a month completely. When it's finished, I went ahead and make new one, and that is what I have been spraying on her hair. I added a little bit of peppermint because she didn't like the smell of the onion. So the peppermint essential oil helps to kind of like balance the smell of the onions. So that is what I have been using on her hair for a month since she did this protective hairstyle, and this is how much her hair has grown. So today I was like, okay, it was a month and 2 days. I was like, it's time to take this braid out before your hair becomes very tangled and you're gonna have breakage. So today is the time to take this braid out, and this is what I do whenever the kids have like a long protective hairstyle and when it's time to take the braid out. So I had a conditioner in a spray bottle with lukewarm water, and I have a conditioner standing with a comb, with a wild tooth comb, and a kind of like a small tooth comb to like loose the braid. So I kind of soak the hair with the conditioner and the warm water, and I also add the conditioner to the hair because then it makes the hair a little bit softer. It makes it very easy to take out the braids and also detangle process. So for me, I am detangling whilst I'm taking out the braids. So when it's time to wash the hair, you don't have to go through the detangle process a lot. So that is what I'm doing. I like to do this outside because this take time and it does make mess. So I first started at the back. I did the back when we finished, and then I let her go and play for like 30 minutes because it take time. It's not something that I want to rush and then break the hair or damage the hair. So we really take our time to do this. I did the back, and then she went to play for 30 minutes, and then she came back. I do the other side, and then she would take a break again. She went again and had play with her younger sister, fun, eats, and then now we're back to do the last part of the hair. So then I was like, okay, let me start recording this part and show you guys how I do it. So I have this really small fine tooth comb. That is what I'm using to take off to lose the braid, and I've also used conditioner and warm water, so the hair is very soft at this particular time. It's very easy to take out and also very easy to detangle. At the end, I use my fingers, and you guys can see her hair has grown a lot. You will see the end result where the hair stop at this particular time. Her hair is really grown, and also having protective hairstyle on the kid's hair for this long, that's how much the hair has grown. That's how much the hair has grown just 1 month using the rosemary and onions, and those are the only two products I use: rosemary and onions, and I added a little bit of peppermint essential oil just so that she don't have to deal with the smell of the onions. So I took out the braid. I went in with the big comb to detangle, and then later I went in with this um, um, fine comb to detangle the hair much more better. So this is what I do, and then when it's time to wash the hair, it's very easy. It's very simple. You don't have to go through the whole detangle process. And also this with this method, you minimize the breakage, because when the hair is dry and you're trying to take out an old protective hairstyle like this one, and it will make, if you're not patient, your hair will break, and that's something I wasn't going for. So I was very patient, very gentle with the hair. I go in with a lot of water, a lot of conditioner to make sure everything is very soft and easy to take out. So now I'm done, and she was really happy, and she did very well. She did absolutely very well sitting down, let me doing this. That's why we take break in between. I love doing protective hairstyle like this because it's also very balanced. very balanceful with my lifestyle, work, family, YouTube. I really don't have time to be doing hair every single time. Sometimes they do have like this normal kit hairstyle, but when we are doing braiding, I really like to do a nice braided hairstyle that will last for at least a month. And I like to use during that month I use product on her hair. I will use my hair growth sprays. I'll mix the rosemary or fenugreek. I'll just do different type of DIY hair growth sprays, and I'll continue to also oil the hair, moisturize the hair for that 1 month. And then when it's time to detangle, I go through the same process. That's why for me in this house, when it's time to detangle the kids here, when it's time to take out a old braid, it's a whole day thing. I do it on Saturdays. I know I am not going anywhere. I don't have any plan. I really write it down. Today we're going to do hair. I don't have any plan. I make sure I cook the day before so that I don't have to be stressing out or, oh, I have to cook. I really have to be in a very relaxing and a positive mindset, because I don't want to have the feeling like, oh, I have to do something, I have to do this, and then I will not have the patience to remove the remove the old braids and detangle the hair patiently. Because when you don't detangle patiently and you go with force, you will end up having a lot of breakage, and that is what I was actually trying to avoid. So you see, I went in with the big comb, and then I'm going in with this really fine small comb. And with this comb, when you use this comb, when this comb pass through the hair completely, then you know, okay, the hair is really detangled. And this is a process that I like to go through. And then when it's time to wash the hair, it's very simple. I don't need to be going with my hand. I just put the hair in a twist. I separate the hair into 3 bundles. I put it in a twist, and then I just like really massage the scalp with shampoo. I focus more on the scalp when I'm washing the hair. And then when it's time to rinse the shampoo out, you kind of like just touches the hair. You don't really focus the product on the hair itself, because the hair is not dirty, it's the scalp. So I really try to focus the shampoo on the scalp. And I have this really nice shampoo. It's a very like cleaning shampoo, and it has this really nice smell, and it gives you this tinkling feeling when you have it on your head. It's really nice. I love it, and that's what I use. I really focus on the scalp, really massage it into the scalp, and then when you are rinsing the hair out, when you're rinsing the shampoo out, it comes to the hair naturally. So yeah, we're done. This is what the hair is looking. She's really happy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more conditioner, detangle everything, just go through it once again, just to make sure everything is okay. Because when I was detangle the hair, I did it in like different section. So now I just want to like add everything. Her hair is looking so healthy. Her hair is looking really nice. And yeah, very soon I also want to do like trimming, trim the ends a little bit. I've watched some couple of videos on how to do it properly. Her end is not really that bad, because I normally like to soak the end of the hair with oil. I either use olive oil, coconut oil, any oil that you have in the house. Take a plastic bag, soak your hair in the oil, and then wrap your ends of the end of the hair in a plastic bag. Like really wrap the end in a plastic bag. That's something I do a lot with the kids. So the end is looking really nice, but I'm also thinking of maybe cut a little bit off, just a little bit. So it's something I'm going to be doing. I don't know when, but I'm really looking at videos to see how to do it properly. Even though a friend of mine said it's not necessary because the hair is not damaged. She was like, yeah, you take good care of her hair is not damaged, so there's no need for you to cut the hair. You can only do that maybe when you want to like blow dry the hair, straighten the hair, which I feel like she's very small for me. I don't want to put heat on her hair right now, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. That's why it's not something that is compulsory, but it's something that I want to do, but it's not compulsory for now. Yeah. So this is all the hair that I'm just putting everything, all the ones that shared, you guys can see all the ones that shared from 1 month plus protective hairstyle, which I feel like it's not bad. You know, the hair is looking really, really good. I'm really happy. At least we're done for today. She's happy, and now she's just going to play and have fun and everything. So that's the hair, and this is how much hair came out from everything. I'm just trying to like gather everything together. This is how much hair came out. This how much came out. This is what came out. Like that. It's not really that much for a month's protective hairstyle. Yeah, it's not that much. So yeah, this is it. We're done. This is what the hair is looking like. The hair is really long. Her hair is getting really, really long. I just want to come and share this quick video with you guys. We're at the backyard. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And let me know in the comment box if you guys want for me to make video about the hair growth spray. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much. Peace out.